Okay, nice. Okay, let us start. I will take the new. Okay.
Yes.
अब आपको फटाफट मुझे सिर्फ डायमेंशन बताना है, so that I can immediately will do it. Okay. I need the direction from your
Yes.
side this time. Okay. Because in my hand only I am having the 20 minutes, not more than 20 minutes. So within 20 minutes I will finish. Okay. Let us WSIM. Common N01, G90, G94, G1
18.
और G7. Okay. M03 or S.
7.
Okay. What is the maximum dimension? Please tell me. The maximum value
है
कितना है?
50.
50 हम 52 लेंगे, ठीक है. और टोटल ये कितना है? ये भी 50 है ना. 50/50 है, तो आई विल टेक G00 S52 Z2. Okay. Let us G71. I am going a little fast. Okay. Try to understand. And U is 1. I can take the U also little less because यहाँ पर बहुत कम एक्चुअली में. डेप्थ ऑफ कट हम कमी लेंगे और R का वैल्यू 2 ले सकते हैं. G71 P का वैल्यू पता नहीं है, Q का वैल्यू पता नहीं है. ओके. U लेंगे 0.5, W लेंगे 0.5 और F लेंगे 0.5. Okay, done everyone? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. G00, which is the first diameter? First diameter, please tell me.
X30, sir.
First is 30, okay? पहला
Yes,
30
sir.
है, so I will write down the X will be 30. Next, G01, यहाँ पर incline है. You can see the incline position will be there. Incline
Incline
okay?
है sir.
और 2 mm,
40.
हाँ 2 mm डेप्थ है ना इसकी, 2 mm देखो यहाँ पे है ना.
Yes,
तो
sir.
incline है, कितना incline है? 40 और Z
X40
minus 2, बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
See, wherever I did mistake, please rectify me. Okay, maybe sometime I did mistake, so you can rectify me. Okay.
फिर
After
G01
हाँ G01, there is no change of diameter ना.
X40 और Z -7.
-7 है, correct है. हाँ, okay, -7. After that, again incline line. Okay, but the diameter has been changed. Diameter is 30. दिख रहा है आपको diameter? I can make it by the pen.
X30 आएगा.
है ना. देखो यहाँ diameter. I'll connect the line so that it is better for understanding all of you. है ना.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
G01
X30 Z minus
S30 Z
-15.
-15. Okay.
Yes.
So sorry, -15.
01
G01
X40
S40
Z -17.
17. Other can please check. Okay. Parth is giving the right answer or wrong answer. Okay, please. Next Parth. 01
X40
X40.
Z -22.
No, but it is not an incline line ना. It is a straight.
नहीं straight है.
हाँ, तो ये हो गया ना. तो straight है तो फिर खाली Z लेने का ना. S क्यों ले रहे हैं हम? Why we are taking X? only Z value ना. Z minus कितना है बोलो?
-22.
-22 ये है ना, बराबर.
Yes, sir.
22. उसके बाद है
G03 आएगा I think so.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये ऐसा घूम रहा है, बराबर है ना.
हाँ सर. G03
G03. What is the X value?
X40 आएगा सर.
X ये कितना है? 40. Okay, you can connect like that. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, X40. S40. R कितना है? R. What is the value of R?
40.
R भी 40. Okay, very good. R40. Very nice. What is the value of Z minus how much?
-42.
42. ये वाली है ना, this one है. Correct ना? This
Yes,
one
sir.
42. So you can see here 42. Okay. After that, G01. G01. Is that any change of diameter? Yes. Again the radius. Again the radius like that. Okay. So G02 will be 2.
2 नहीं sir. G0. हाँ sir, G02.
G02 ना, it is like a clockwise direction ना.
Yes sir, G02.
G02
R5 आएगा sir.
x कितना आएगा?
R5 आएगा, 5 X5 मतलब
नहीं पहले x
X50
लिखना
होएगा,
पड़ता है.
X50
x50
होएगा और R5 हो जाएगा, रेडियस 5 होएगा.
R5. What is the value of z?
Z -47.
-47. Others are understood now. Others are understanding what we are doing. Yes, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are going little fast. Okay. Within 5 minutes, I have write down the program also. Okay, because with the help of you, so try to understand. Wherever you feel any kind of difficulty, please let me know. I will stop. No problem. Okay. I reached here. Okay. Now only this part is there is no change of diameter. Only the depth of cut has been changed.
-50.
G0
minus आएगा अपना Z.
the minus
G01 Z -50.
correct है.
Yes sir. तो M02 और M30 sir last में.
M02 नहीं, M05 and M02. Okay.
तो 5 M30.
Is it okay to all? Understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the block? Starting of the block is 11. Okay. End of the block will be 29.
सर G01 लिखा आपने
कहाँ
लास्ट
पर?
में. लास्ट में M05 के पहले.
तो चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नहीं भी लिखे तो भी चलेगा, ना कोई इशू नहीं है उससे. और लिख भी दिया तो भी चलेगा. वो इतना अंडरस्टूड है, वो ले लेता है प्रोग्राम अपने हिसाब से. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Doesn't have any problem with this program. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay. Done everyone?
Yes sir.
Understood this
sir.
part. Okay, it is very minor changes are there. Okay, I have made it by the line what diameter will be there. Here the R40, here this R5. Okay, it is R5. Why is this R5? Because here diameter is 40 and here is 5, here is 5, that is 10. So diameter will be 10 and the total length of this part, mean diameter of this part will be 50 and the total this length also 50. Okay, so let us do the other part. I have select the machine first, that is the isoturning. Here I'll go to the solid animation. Let us see. Zoom out. I'm using the tool. Let us take a little less diameter. Okay, because if length and dia will be less, it is good, because here the very minor things are there. Solid setup. I'll take 52. Is it okay? And 52 length is not required, only 50. This is 0. Okay, I'll make it zoom out. Okay, everyone. I have taken little less dia or length of the tool because here very small diameter there. Let us understand if we did right. It is the animation. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes sir.
Or anything wrong in that? No, na?
No sir.
I'll make it little larger. हाँ, is it correct? खाली ये बीच में सर्कल दिख रहा है तो ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ गलत हो गया, लेकिन एक्चुअली वो मटेरियल निकल गया है ना. ये देखो यहाँ पर दिख रहा है आप सबको.
Yes sir.
हाँ, मुझे लगा शायद गड़बड़ हो गया, लेकिन गड़बड़ नहीं हुआ. एक्चुअली ये पहला वाला नीचे आया, फिर यहाँ से ऊपर गया है. फिर ये 40 का है, लेकिन दिखाई नहीं देगा क्योंकि डायमीटर इज सेम एज रेडियस ऑल्सो. तो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंशिएट करना डिफिकल्ट हो जा रहा है यहाँ पर. ठीक है, ये सर्कल
तो
एक्चुअली निकल रहा है. हाँ, इज इट
हाँ सर.
करेक्ट? Okay, everyone, this is okay to all?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
anyone, see how much time it will take. Only take the 9 minutes. Okay, once you understood, you can write down the like a biggest problem also. See how it is difficult, but it is take only 9 minutes to solve this problem. Okay, so try to understand in a such way that. Okay, so please write down this program or take the screenshot. We'll see the new numerical tomorrow.
तो सर
Okay,
ये 3 कर ले सर हम लोग.
Yes, yes, yes. You
सिम
can do
को
this. Yes, yes. ये तीन कर लो. You can do that. Okay.
थैंक यू
हाँ, ये तीनों आप कर लीजिए.